Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you something. I went to Walmart and got this Bluetooth transmitter, and it's made by Monster, but I cannot find it on the internet. However, it's on Walmart's website, but however, the Monster brand, now they show other Monster devices, which is the Bluetooth receiver, but I found this. It is Bluetooth 2-in-1 wireless audio adapter, and on the back here, just you connect your headphone to your headphone jack, or you can use a DVI, and it has the connections on the back here. You can connect your Bluetooth headset to this, pair it with this device, and then connect it from your headphones. And it says make your home wireless. Now what you do is you pair your headphones with this. So I just wanted to show you. Now I don't know, but you could connect it to a TV or connect it to, it comes with an audio jack, and you could also output it to your stereo in bypass mode. So you could bypass the Bluetooth to your stereo. Or you could just connect it directly to your computer, to your computer's headphone jack, and then pair your Bluetooth devices to this thing, and then this becomes your router, your wireless router, your Bluetooth router. So you connect it from your laptop and then wirelessly transmit the audio to all your devices, your headphones. This is really cool. From your laptop to your audio devices. Or you could also use your CD player. You can connect it to your portable CD player or whatever headphone device you got that does not use Bluetooth. This will make your home Bluetooth stereo wireless. This is really cool. And I just found it on Walmart. At Walmart. But they do not have it listed on the website. They do not have it listed, neither on the Google Images. I looked for it. No, it doesn't show. Now it shows another Monster device, but this in particular, no. This is not listed. But let me tell you, it works. I bought it from Walmart, out of the store, and it's called Monster, the name brand, and this is nowhere to be seen, not even on Monster's website for some reason. But you can compare two Bluetooth at the same time. You can compare your Bluetooth soundbar, and then you can have a pair of earphones at the same time, Or you can have two pairs of earphones connected at the same time to pair with the device. You can have two pairs of earphones. I mean, you can pair like all the devices you want, but this thing only does two at a time. But in memory, it will keep your wireless settings. If you have 3 or 4 devices that connect to Bluetooth, it'll remember it in memory, but it will only connect two at once. But in memory, it will keep all the devices in the memory. So, but it won't connect 3 devices or 4 at the same time. But 2 devices, yes. 2 devices at the same time. So this is really cool. I found this at Walmart and I thought it was really cool, so just wanted to share this with you. Comment, rate, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.